Citizenship Amendment Bill is a law in the Senate and then a substance technically haina. AICC President Rahul Gandhi na haikre. Amasung all Manipur Working Journalists Unions Amjunasin na yoksung manung da dumit mga ni chatagaba tar mapalak suba annual journalist sport meet ngasidi hongdokre. Kurumjre ISTV Manipur Pawming W Sing Taranok Sulo na Pau Sanolo Pizre. Citizenship Amendment Bill si law in the Senate and then about substance technically haina AICC President Rahul Gandhi na haikre. Nawin ini gi khongsata ngorang Imphal thunglukiba AICC President Rahul Gandhi na ngasi Palace Compound leba hapta kangjebung pangthokba miyamgi mifam aduda mahna makhatana Center da mathangi government Congress na pairabadi BJP government na Manipur gi lokthokiba special status amuk hanjirhangani Citizenship Amendment Bill Act olaloi Lok Sabha madi Rajya Sabha da bill asing mayokta matam pumbra leptuna thengnagani Manipur gi itihas culture amadi lol da BJP na attack to yaroi Congress Party na Manipur gi itihas culture amadi lol bungak to thongani BJP lengak na maming onthokraba look is policy mai partner bathabat onthokani policy se India amadi South Asia lebak singa samna hanaba Manipur na thong oigadoribanina Manipur yauna North East ki state singda akhanaba industrial policy ma thongani Manipur da khwaidigi phaba mahiloi sang analang sang lehngani BJP lengak pu sereduna Rahul Gandhi na makhatana BJP na sasan pai dungaida miyam da pikiba thajaba Sasan Parabasu, Tabak on top of Amdre, Sayama the Tabak Pangdaba, Naha Crore, and any Tabak Pig and Haikrabasu, Nasipawa, Tabu on top of Amdre, India, Mamang Sahita Nomuda, Listen Kuntra Kutragi, Job Mangale, demonetization at Miam Kamtena 1 key, GST, Levak Miam, Yaifanaba Pakat Patarang Nate, Masidi, Governing tax ni Haina Karimaki.
And I am committing to you here today that the moment we come to power, special status to the Northeast will be reinstated, you will get it back. I am committing to you here again that the special industrial policy for the Northeast that was snatched away from you is going to be given back to you. And I am committing that nobody, not the Prime Minister of India, not the murder accused Anil Shah, not anybody is going to be allowed to touch the culture, the language, the history of Manipur. Nagpur is never ever going to rule Manipur. The Congress Party will stand with you. We will ensure that Citizen Amendment Bill does not become law. We will fight it. We will fight it in the Rajya Sabha, in the Lok Sabha, and if we have to fight it, we will fight it on the streets with you. But we are never going to allow this. We have a old relationship. It is not only a political relationship. Dil ka rishta hai hamara aapke saath. And I want you to know, whether it is in education, the best universities, the best colleges, whatever the government of India can do after 2019 when we come to power, we will do for Manipur. We will give you the best institutions, whether they are medical institutions or education institutions.
CLP leaders Oriba Hanak Safe Minister Kam Ipobina BJP bu kham theng na saikhi Prime Minister Narendra Modi miabu namthak toba oidawanga momisakni lising ni taramari gi Lok Sabha mikhalda miabu namthak todun lengak paikhi Prime Minister gi miam gi campaign da BJP na lengak pairabadi corruption muthit kani haiduna miam da wasakhi matamamada mamang da palamba lenga si 10% ni lengak ni lauthokiba dunga sidi BJP na lusingba lenga si 30% dagi 50% fawa yorba lengak ni Makoina lenga ki thabak loba khudimakta corruption tawdaba leitre sei taramanga ta tawba ngamlamdaba thabak tha taramanga ta pangthokani haina haikibadu thabak ta onthokpagi mahota Congress Party ki matamna paikatuna sangaramdaba thabak sing ngasidi machu amuk sangjilaga sangabi thabak chathari center dagi nomakangna laklamba union minister singna Manipur miyamgi karamba kanda pirakpa leikrabage kari kanaba Pirakpa Lekrabage, Sahi Ani Paraklaba Lenga Asina, Masak Topa Taba Amata, Paikatpa Udri, Lenga Asi Sendong Kwang Koiraba Hospital Ge ICU da Oxygen Tazino Leba Anabaga Panka Ore, Sahi Sigi Financial Year Matung the Employees Singi Tolof Pibangam Roy. India government na Pakalamba railway project ki manungda Malengu Khwaidigi Sang Maternal BJP government asina tension kre Malengi tourist sing punin sinsinbong oigadoriba asi BJP government na mangale haike
0% corruption. Have the corruption suklai leitaba saswanama Manipuri prajada pigani haibaneba. Matamdugi akhoi government ai isama puna Mr. Ibo B 10% Ibo B in a man high gibaneba. Adu hujiti Manipur ki praja singna khumbir oba. Shigi paliba sarkar se o palli looted 30% khwaidai pipa 50 corruption senjaba huranba government ne bishigi leiba state government se huranba I can challenge Mr. Modi North East Sakutana India Sakutba Yaro and the Union Minister Mayam Singh every alternate day Thar Eva Yam Nung Shiva Mandrava North East Manipur se Adumba Union Ministers in Lakwa Mayam Duna even a single project under sanction to give the Karai Paliba BJP government to put hope in over Sigumba Wangang Sangang Power Pine and Navani Haidana Sigumba policy to was a Ikai Ningai Neva Masimatunda Amuhana Tobir Oi Hainaya Satawi
Tungda AICC President Rahul Gandhi Agartala gi damak Imphal thadokre ngasi mifam adu da MPCC President Gai Khangam MLA Singh PCC gi member sing saruk yaduna Rahul Gandhi da nat ki oiba koyet upagal loinana Congress ki tongan ba dol sina Rahul Gandhi da asam khodor posting pikhi hani Chief Minister okam ibobe Congress ki MLA Singh hani MLA Singh amadi Congress kamnikana saruk akhi All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amjuna Sindhuri Yaksang Manung da numit mangani satagedaba mapalak suba Annual Journalist Sports Meet ngasiri haudokre haudobgi thromda isamgi hani President and Rajendro Usikon Jila परिषद Member Seram Nikian Basikong Jila परिषद Member Chirom Romeo Amjugi President Brojendo Ningomba amadi Amjugi Thobupa kya surukaki ngasi haudokpa oina kangladagi Maira Lauraga Journalist singi oiba Maira Lamjel ama Manipur Press Club Hawasian ki Manipur Press Club ta N Rajendrona Maira Sukatuna se sig sport haudokki Tharonga Mari Lena Rajendrona phondokki bada Amjuna Sinduna numit mangani sathagaduri ba pamu singi oiba sana konabugi thoromasina senba masida leirga Pudok from Laitriba Sanami Matingadu Pudopagaluna, Haksang Panalator Yang with Tabak over the Hana Kudong Salagan Heke.
Holy chat with the monkey, Aduga, Yoksangi, Lambi, Pasatana, Mayama, and Baduki, Crimea, Torpus, the Gichu Sigi, Amjuna Putoriba, Sports, couldn't look to the King Akopung, Munina Kanze, Aduga, Hena, something Nanga, the Dika, and the Sports, Manipur, all Indiana, Key even in Sigi Amjugi Togang, I'm 10 missing Putoka, and they had a topper, where you only have a walk alone to my times again.
Brojendro Ningombana, Sport Meet Asida, Indoor Media Outdoor Sport Event Kaya, Sanana Basem Sabalore, Yausang Numit Mangan in Si Paumi Singi Shuti Webin Maramoga, Shuti Mununda Sport Yokat Pagi Pausal Pibo in a Tormasi Senman Hake.
Tuan ba ngoksina ba atigi sabat pa adum langtok pa adum da aikoi matam si mangandana aikoi isang isabu healthy oiba healthy lifestyle ma leina ba loina na aikoi si sana khoda bagi hiram da loina phana ba adum khunaim da horpanga tanina aikoi isagi sports talent singdo hena nurture tongna ba aikoi healthy oina leina ba amsung aikoi mentally physically aikoi apaba adum ba kainoma condition ma aikoi create tongna bidum ta aikoi na sinja duna laksabani adna hanaksu aikhoina masigi kenosi akhoi paringnai na akhoi ahallaman singa satharamba akhoi sports event to annually akhoi hanaksu sathajabani
Taratre Suba Lok Sabha election ng Mari Lane ngarang digi Imphal da thunglaki ba AICC President Rahul Gandhi lakpaga Mari Lane na Imphal samadi West ki mafam kya security ga conversation thron lokar ki Rahul Gandhi na MFDC Hall da pangthokpa naharol singa unabagi thormamadi hapta kangjebungda pangthokpa myang mifamda saru yabana hairo mafam singa singa koibada hena 16 tharang lokat ki Nupi Weavers Welfare Association Maira Paibi Sagolbul Tera Lukram Lerkna Sei Kunmanga Mapung Parakpagi Silver Jubilee Thorong Ngasi Pangthokre Association Nasina Sinduna Sagolbul Tera Lukram Lerak Part 3 Community Hall Pangthokpa Thormaduda Hana MLA Uramba Safam Kunjigesor Association ki President Nandurani Pradhan Susila LLYC ki President Soibam Ranbir Namaru Bemi Singona Suraki Hana MLA Uramba Kunjigesorna Association Nasina Leka Si Kakta Natana Kunaida Awan Mampurana Apawataba Kaya Pakali Haike
Some social issue da Sigi Sangsanse Hana Sudum participate Pantola physically, morally, financially Matung the Su Manipurgi interesta Lekai interesta Zati Sigi interesta Apapa Tabak Torpada Mohina Soidana Mateng Pangani Haidana Fazayaduna Ina Isora Koramjari Matudi Suma Sangtalase Miangi Shaba Matam Tibikta Tobangam Oishanu
Indian Dental Associations Manipur State Branch Samadi Departments of Public Health Dentists Dental Scholars Zanems ka khosum naduna World's Oral Health Degamari Lena Free Orals and Dental Awareness Cam Checkup ki thoroma mangasi lamlabung makhongda leiba Maltly International School de pangthokre Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch ke Secretary Dr. N Satish Kumar na school sida leiba ngang simukaram na ya fazena thongdage haiba panamda free checkup asi pangthokpani haiki
Mouth health and haibadi ya si phana leinaba akhoi ngasi pandam sida amasung ya pharagadi haksang phai haibagi pandam da akhoina Mackley International School da angang pi bangang singchagi yengaga angang singsi gi awareness dental camp amasung moi gi ya thinba ya phana thamnaba imong da thammane na akhoina ngasi gi program sima sponsor akhoi dental camp amasung awareness program ma pemiam Dr. Kanor Sijabani
Yellow missing hak kanan ba madi lamdam sida ing tabba prokna ba pandamda NPF na outer ge miraf thadokani haina NPF Manipur State ki President Awangboy Nyumai ngasi namphele lema ki quarter pang to pawmi sing unabra phondokre pawmi sing unabadu da outer ge NPF ki miraf orba Dr. Lorho MLA Khasim Basumamadi party gi thobu ka soraki manamaka tarduna miyo karana irang sagatuna bot fangna ba honariba asidagi miyamna section view Manipur leriba kanglop kodima imung amagum khanduna sokhatpa ing tapalamdamo ohensi haiki
peoples gi interest khangba loina na indigenous peoples gi apambado akoi national level da member ama oina akoi kanana su influence to the be the peoples gi apambado khatang phondok piya ba platform ase akoi Manipur da NPF amani aduna akoi ge MP ka halle haraga mayam gi interest da ngang hanna ba defense to hanna ba habisi akoi ge agenda ni asigumba yamna competitive oikraba jukasida akoi ge independent voice akoi ba kanana su pamdabadu pamo hana force to doba adubu public na pamdabadu pamde hana phone pu ya ba platform ama leitradi akoi matung manaw da akoi awa ba kyamrum thingnarakani habisi akoi ge
NPF ki miref orba Dr. Lorhona NPF ti ing tapa pamba sokhatpada mang thaba party ni haiki
naga ga harasi maitai ka naga ga indigenous community ni hana laubu taragadi naga amana tawsinaraga ai naga ni na tawsinaba sajinaba naga ama oina maitai da laga maitai na aibu sajinaba naga dubo lausalagadi madu mapung phaw nungsibnate hana ai laujai ai naga ni hana lakpa matamda aigi apamba aigi aspiration aina tawningba habisi nahakna khangbiraga bab taraga nahaki apambadasu nahakna apam tawningbadusu nahaki ashawbadusu ullehraga madu ibani na amana mubo bab tanarakan dangakta nungsinaba habisi lakpa yabani
Pig Rearing and Management hai hiram da numit hunisung se thagada training program ama ngarang dagi KVK Thawal gi conference hall hokre tarmadu da agriculture director Laltan Puis Vanchong Manipur State Farmers Agribusiness Consortium ge project coordinator MS Khaidem amadi KVK Thawal gi head Dr. Jesma Rani sarang them namroi ba myo singona suraki mamang sahi December thada New Delhi pangthokiba Durdasan Kisan Mahila Award ta ahum jo position taraktuna lupal lakh ani mana pangkraba bimola lephrakpambo harautam okre hoji paumrak thana temel bram tang lobani se
Maipa Dance Studio and Fitness Gym.
Madeline introducing School Students Health Checkup program at school campus. On-site student health checkup, general medical checkup for students, dental checkup, eye checkup, ENT checkup, etc. and student medical report. Also on-site school medical room. We help in setting up medical room at your school by providing well-trained nursing staff, medical equipment, first aid materials, ambulance on call, etc. Madeline office, Porompa near Jennings Hospital.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khudingmakna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawi February thagi GSTR 3B return file tawbagi aroiba numiti lakliba March kitang kundani sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawi
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes Government of Manipur.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture. chicken 65, chicken lollipop dry, chicken masala, chicken lollipop masala. Maipa Foods, available at your nearby store.
Wangkai Ningtem Pukri Mapal da laiba Career Nurture Center da lakliba April 9 dagi class 9 amasung 10 CBSE gi Science and Maths, class 11 amasung 12 gi CBSE and COSEM gi Physics, Chemistry, Maths and Biology gi foundation course hauzaragani. Class ki timing 5 PM to 8 PM. Contact 9402241800 or 9436696049.
Family Camp on 21st March to 25th March. Mahai Masing Education Technology Private Limited Amadi MMTA ga Kutsam Naraga Learning Cum Adventure and Sports Family Camp 2019 Pangthok Charagani. Pangthok Chagadoriba Mafam Manipur Mountaineering Institute MMI Lamda near Laimatak Project. Contact 7085723248.
Eastern Motor Jingmairongi Nauna Santok Jaraba Anuba Maruti Suzuki Arena Showroom Lakliba Mas Pungi Ayupung Taramathoitaba Matamda re-launch Taujaragani Thorom Masida Yamna Saruk Yabio Maruti Suzuki Arena gi digitize Tauraba Showroom Asigi Kudong Jaba Lobio Ahan Balakpa Booking Kudingi exciting price Amasung offer su Thamjari
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi uchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba matangairaba upaidi jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singi damakta jolip capsule chabiu
Paradise para fruit Paradise para fruit. Have a sip and feel the difference.
Break mituna taranung seri makata pausing sugunu kendri manung senba sugunu wapok pida maistam tombi ko bamio yamana makiloina bemi di masani kaloina na bibam sad ba yuma mada lerekiba du microfinance ki tabak toba thaudam dine ko bamio yamana asoba thaudang lawduna naunamyum sabikre yumasi sabada local MLA ke ranjitna jingabandal marimakhai mateng panglaki hairi Taudam dinena mana mating pang mangam kiba sima ki khwai nuai jabani makhata na su angam mating pang ki kani haiki
Yangon ki type to watch na kharaga phi na khallaga mathak che khoi gi dambur macha segai bu khara nukupaga yam nungai to mongda ngasi de gine chahi tara ga mathoi to gi mang ri adum ko chen chen duna le abu yumne ngasa gi mioi ba ha che haudo pai ba ma di darkar oi ngasi aina sugunu da aigi bazar da collection macha am ka khomjare raga Mang wana puncture po paisa duna ngasi aina sugumba laita lara gi yum amakha aina saba ngambasida amadi aingonda diligent clinic ki kangbu da gi aingonda thawna amaga loina na pose tawjagi basida aingonda tuki mati haraujai matungda su ai ngamjaruba aina thengjaruba kudimakta di ai magi da makta cheng charam to su pi ga habigi wakhalon ja ai punchi nek lai makhai di ai tawge habigi asa da ai ngasi su hingi tawsu tawgani
Tombi ki loina bi maistam thoina makoi damakta anuba yumama sabana mateng pangbiriba local MLA thaudam dine amadi legal aid clinic ki PLV singmutha to phongdokhe
Yam wairame pudi yumam tha meyan ma sa mi nungai le dini oi meyan toraga sa pa yumne nungai nu jin nungai nu pa le re imung manung nungai re meyan nu harau phongdok jari
Legal aid clinic ki legal volunteers ke is open rona paralegal volunteers singi oina legal ki khudong saba piba khak natana asigumba tola taraba singi damakta mateng pangbiba sisu PLV ama oibagi thaudang ni khanduna mioibagi minung sina mateng pangmani makata na asigumba thidoktuna tola taraba singa mateng pangkhegani haikhe
kogi lamno masigi honorable MLA dasu tin ban mari makhai admaina mateng pangbiraki aduga district civil supply kaksingi maikai degisu AAY gi card phangan bagi khudong jaba du supi biraki sumaina mayam changdana hariba yumase sabada mateng tawbirakhi leirami phim masidi ngasidi ahong bama laktana ma ki yumase yamna phajabamang natraga su leiba yaba adimi mana yamna nongju nongsa ayinga sa awana dai khajik tawasu ngaktokpa yanana bagi mongda asmaina where pesida ekosu yamna harauba nungaiba ai phongdoksari
Kanglepai Students Association KSA gi Nipalak Suba Mega Sport Festival lising ni taramapal ngasidigi mapal kangzai bungda association sin hokre haudopi thoromda Yaske Commissioner Bobby Waikom KSA gi President and Chetan Manpack convener Y Dilip Kumar amadi MIT gi Principal RK Hemakumar namaro bemisi wana sirwaki KSA gi President and Chetan na masamuk foba kunai mo purang panamda Mega Sport asi pangthopani haiki
Sahi gudingi mi sijalaiba amasung nupi angang sathariba crime asibu nisha chasallaga thoksinbadagi thokpani haina akoni Student Association case ni lokjai amasung masibu kitang anthoknaba honajaba oina akoni Student Association na kangai mega sport festival asi pangthoksabani nipan suba kangai mega sport festival asi hena mapung mari phaba kangai mega sport festival ama uhen se haina leba miyam da appeal tokjari amasung kangai mega sport festival asina mipung khurimakta appeal to Janingdi, Ramdi Nisha Salaga, Chatariba Society, Yaksongi, Mangani, Asida, Chatariba, crime to Riba, Angang Shamuliba, Asi, Timinaraga, Akugi, Mayonama reform Toraga, Society Asibu, and socially, psychologically good sound about society in the same as they have seen on the Student Association and beyond the appeal to the
Moregi Galnga Lentol Grounda FC Madras Academy Makada More Youth Club Amadi Ngulmin Lams Memorial Football Academy More Nasinuna Say Taramanga Madi Taramdo Makagi Football Trial Pangtokre Punangang Humudra Taru na Suryaki Trial do FC Madras Academy course James Singson na conduct toki Football Pamjaba Angang Sing Apaba footballer amamam oinan ba more releva civil society organization amadi mama passing mating pambi haiki
CSO schools, parents, and each and everyone to support us and to bring these young talented players of More as a good footballer.
Loisalapda More Pausing Amukan Vijay. Citizenship Amendment Bill asi law in a Sanahandana but substance technically and AICC President Rahul Gandhi High. So, all Manipur Working Journalists Union Amjuna Sinura Yaksang Manungda Numit Mangani Satagaba Mapalak Suba Annual Journalist Sport Meet Ngasitagi Hondokre. Migu Basipa with the estimate Manipur Pomotans to Israel, Ming Tabi Puno Omkana Krundre.